gentlewoman from Texas seek recognition?
The U.S. House of Representatives has voted to decriminalise and tax marijuana at a federal level. The House passed the bill by 228 votes to 164, with the debate on the proposed measures cutting across party lines.
I'm voting for it because the federal government has lied to the people of this country about marijuana for a generation. We have seen a generation, particularly of black and brown youth, locked up for offenses that should have not resulted in any incarceration whatsoever.
Legalizing weed would create revenue from taxes. But at what cost? Do we then start legalizing cocaine? Marijuana is a gateway drug. Make no mistake about that. It undoubtedly leads to further and much more dangerous drug use.
15 states already authorize recreational marijuana and 36 allow it for medical use. But federal laws banning it make it difficult for companies to trade. However, the new bill is unlikely to get past opposition in the US Senate.